All right, here we have a 1928 Whippet, model 96. This was produced by Willys Overland. Actually was a successor to the Overlands. Now this particular car would have a 134 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder in it, manual 3-speed. When they came out with that engine, it was actually pretty advanced. Had a full pressure oiling system and pump circulated coolant. Very reliable engine that actually became the World War II era Jeep engine. So reliable engines. And this particular car, owned by a Whippet Club member that does drive his vehicles, has a few Whippets and this era vehicle, and this vehicle is driven, runs and drives. We'll start it up here in a little bit. We'll get around and fire it up. Let's check out the interior. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, you can check out the engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the pictures and the listing of this. You can call us to 507-386-1726. You can see kind of a two-tone blue on blue with a little black highlighting around the cab of it, and of course the vinyl roofing. This vehicle also has had an electric fuel pump added to it, alternator conversion to it, and the it has a solid wood body. So of course it's metal on the outside, but within the inner framework of this, they did use wood, and this one is solid. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Wooden spoked wheels, and again, previous owner of this car drove them, attended club events. They would put so many miles on their vehicles in a day and get together and actually drive them and enjoy them. As you can see, it has had blinkers added down here. They are working front and rear. A little more modern amenity, make it a little easier to drive on the road. Of course, the Whippets were made between 27 and 31. They were actually an incredible selling vehicle in 28. I believe only surpassed by Chevy and Ford. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. We're going to fire this up so you can hear it. Kind of a crushed lower interior was installed in this vehicle. Headliner also. Rear seats, you want family members, grandkids to ride with, maybe parades, what have you. Down here is the switch for the electric fuel pump. Just leave it on, it will go on and off with the turn of the key. Horn does work. It's got one of the Oogas. Gotta like that for an old classic vehicle. Let's go ahead and start this up. Alright, so you just want to turn the key to the right, hear the fuel pump click. Starter button is kind of way up on the cowl up here. Hit that. Get my foot there. Alright, so how easily it starts. You got a starter button kind of way up underneath that cowl, FYI. Blinker switch that was installed here. And again, that is in working order. Let's go ahead, slip around the back of this so you can hear it. Kind of reminds you of the old Willys Jeep sound, World War II era. But again, you hear how smooth it runs. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop one of these hood sides and let's take a look at that engine bay. Alright, pop the passenger side here. Other side it has a manifold. Won't be able to see quite as much on it. Ooh, the horn mounted underneath there that you can see. There's a little alternator conversion. Again, nice smooth running little inline 4. Like I said, you want to enjoy some parades or just take it out for a cruise. This one has been driven and used. You definitely don't see them every day. There you have it, 1928 Whippet. Little model 96 2-liter sedan would have been considered. Again, 134 cubic inch, inline 4, and they're in a manual 3-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this classic.